That presentation will be made by Ms. Benny Randall and her staff.
Good evening. I am Betty Randall, to Mayor Sharif, council members, and the Hub City community. I founded Champions of Karen Connections in 2005 after having worked a long time for Compton Unified. And our purpose is to work with families without a place to stay, they're homeless. And tonight with me sharing for this event is a group from Tower of Faith, because we have a food distribution there every second Saturday of the month. So this event is to support mental health. I'm sure you've seen on the TV all month, because May is National Mental Health Month. One of the things in our communities, we don't address mental health. We sweep it under the rug, we act like it doesn't exist. But this is a community event, that's why I'm here. It's not just Champions of Karen Connections. Mayor Sharif and the council, I know you support what we are trying to do in terms of raising awareness about mental health. The theme is sound the alarm about our feelings. We do not address feelings. Even we individually, we suppress them. So on June 10th, between 9 and 2, at Tower of Faith Church, through LA County, all of the service planning areas are being a provider for this particular mental health month. There are 8 service planning areas in the county. Compton is in service planning 6. And I just mentioned supporters of this event include the City of Compton, the LA County Mental Health. You should go to takeactionlacounty.com and you will see Champions of Karen Connections listed as one of the agencies within LA County doing a mental health event. There will be a variety of mental health topics relevant to the community's needs. There will be vendors with mental health resources and hands-on activities addressing the different coping strategies. This event is geared to whole care. I tied it in with food. You know, we gotta eat, but we also have to address our feelings. And that's an area that's deficient in our communities. So with the support of Compton, the Compton Chamber, the Hub City community, we know that you will be a part of what we will do. And we thank you for this opportunity to sound the alarm about your feelings. Mental health can no longer be ignored. It's a large part of homelessness, especially in our communities. Again, thank you for this opportunity. Are there questions? I have seen such an increase in our food distribution sites because, you know, with the economy, people have lost their jobs. You name all of the kinds of things that relate to people not eating. And so I just chose this opportunity in our food distribution to also address mental health. So we do it at that site every second Saturday at Tower of Faith. So we are looking not just for the event, for volunteers all year for our food distributions. We actually have 7 sites, including the school district, where we provide food. Again, are there any questions? The address for the event is 4323 East Rosecrans. Tower of Faith has been in the community a long, long time.
Thank you, Ms. Randall.
Thank you, Mayor.
Madam City Clerk?